Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, April 4, 2023. Today's video is about Boeing F-15EX Eagle II. The Boeing F-15EX Eagle II is an American multi-role all-weather strike fighter manufactured by Boeing Defense, Space and AMP, Security. Derived from the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle and first conceived in 2018, the F-15EX is not expected to be survivable against modern air defenses by 2028, but has the capability to perform homeland and airbase defense, enforce no-fly zones against limited air defenses, and deploy standoff munitions. The aircraft made its maiden flight in February 2021, and as of 2023 has a total planned fleet size of up to 104. This F-15EX, from the United States Air Force's 40th Flight Test Squadron, was photographed flying over Northern California during an aerial refueling operation in May 2021. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.